All right, traders, we had a very narrow range on Friday compared to the recent chaos. Maybe a normal day when you look back at the SPY when things aren't chaotic. Um, but let me throw this up. It's my daily reminder that we're day traders and we focus on stuff that's in play to trade in between the bells. So you can always go back and pause the video if you haven't read that yet. I think most of you have. So what are we going to be watching on Monday? Speaking of stocks that are in play, MSGM, massive rip on Friday. SMX, yeah, everything smashed together on this one. But you can, if you zoom in, you can see the gap and the massive volume. Could have a follow through day on Monday, April 21st. By the way, I don't know if I said that. UUUU, easy symbol to remember. Had a gap up. Had actually a nice headline, so we want to keep that. That's in the rare earth headline space, right? So we definitely want to watch that because that is a hot space right now. Hertz HTZ's already had 2 massive days, so it's really extended. But we're day traders. We're going to keep it on a chart to see if it gives any kind of setup. ADGM closed well off of its highs, but did have a nice headline. I had a really nice trade in that one on Friday. I think some of you got that one with me. I don't love the fact that it closed well off its highs, but we definitely want to keep our eyes on it. DWTX. Pretty interesting chart. You had this massive move back here, pretty good size secondary move, and then pretty good volume on Wednesday, quiet inside day on Thursday, and trying to push up again on Friday. It's kind of in a little wedge pattern there. One to watch for sure. MGNI had nice volume related to the Google headline, as was, and we'll also watch this one, PUBM. Both of those charts look very similar. CRML, another rare earth play that I like the looks of the chart. Good volume and flagging, right? Kind of one of my favorite looking charts as far as the rare earth go. DJT, waiting for it to load there. Little mini breakout, little extra volume. You had this kind of sideways action and curled up on Friday. Could have a follow through day. NNOX, almost done here. Nice volume, could have a follow through day. And VERV, I threw this one on watch. You had this massive volume day here, and then the gap up, reversal, and then a couple days with lower highs. So I'm treating that like a bounce play. It was a nice headline that got this started. It may be ready to start turning back up this week. So we're going to keep that one on the chart as well. I will see you all in the pre-market as we work together to build a list of gappers to add to this list. And I'm looking forward to some good trading this week. See you then.